Walmart beauty box for the winter. I did upgrade to the $10 box, which means we got full-size items for $10, and I am so excited. This has been one of my favorite subscription boxes other than Ipsy. This is one of my favorite subscription boxes, and I am so excited to see what I got. So if you guys are excited too and want to tune into this video, then without further ado, let's go see that video. Okay, hey guys, my name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. So for today's video, we got Walmart beauty box. This is the winter edition. This is normally $6 and some change, and you do get, I think it's 5 sample products, and then they throw sometimes a couple goodies like sample sizes, extra goodies in there. But then they asked me, they sent me an email a couple months ago if I wanted to upgrade to the $10 box for a couple more dollars, so $4 more if I wanted to upgrade to the $10, and it would include mostly all full-size items, and it will still include 5 full-size items, or 5 items, but they're all full-size. And I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and try it, because like it's $10, right? Like Ipsy's $13.99 and it doesn't guarantee you all full sizes. I think this one does. And I peeked a little bit and I was like, holy crap, this is good. They even wrapped it. Like, look, they even have a little wrapping paper, and they have what everything is in here, like a little pamphlet. Like, who knew that Walmart has like some legit beauty box? They did show me everything that I got, so I'm gonna put that away so I can be a little bit surprised. And we're just gonna reach in here and we're gonna grab the heaviest thing in here, which is Witch Hazel Toner, which I have been wanting to try this. This is by Thayer's Facial Toner Witch Hazel Remover with Cucumber and Aloe Vera Formula. I love, 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 love toner. So I want to see how this smells, but it's a little... Okay, yeah, it just smells like cucumber. It smells like cucumber. So I'm really excited to try this. It says, stay cool as a cucumber with Thayer's Cucumber Facial Toner. This pH balanced gentle toner is derived from a time-honored formula developed by Thayer's to cleanse, tone, and moisturize skin. Then it has a whole lot of other ingredients. So apply with a cotton ball or soft pad to cleanse, soften, refresh, moisturize skin. Use anytime throughout the day to leave the skin refreshed. And it's a pretty good size. I don't know if this is full size. This is full size. And it is an 8, oh no, nah, this is not full. They lied to me. They told me they were gonna have all full sizes, and it's not. Maybe they just said maybe one was gonna have full size. I don't remember what it said. This is 3 fluid ounces. The full size is 8.5 fluid ounces. This 3 fluid ounces doesn't give me the price, but it gives me the price for the 8.5. The 8.5 is $7.97. So it's about $1 a fluid ounce. So this is about $3. So still pretty good, pretty good. Okay, let's see. So let's do the extra sample. This is the Tangerine Drink Immune System by Liquid IV. I love, 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 love these things. I haven't tried this one, the immune support, so I'm gonna save it when I'm feeling a little under the weather. I love their lemon lime, and I love their piña colada. Those are really good. But this one, I haven't tried it, so we're gonna see how it is. 6 count is $9.98. You can get a little pricey. Honestly, I usually get the bag in Costco because it comes with like a 24 or 30 pack for like 20 bucks. So it's worth it in Costco. I would say if you're gonna buy these, they do work, especially when you're feeling a little dehydrated under the weather or you're hungover. This is like your best friend when you're hungover because it hydrates you faster than water. And one of these in like a bottle of water like this, I think it equals to 3 bottles of water, like if you were to drink 3 times the amount of water. So it does work. Trust me, it works. Because when I need a little pick-me-up or when I feel really dehydrated, I drink this and I'm like a whole new person. It does work. I just don't know about the immune, like how immune-y the immune one is. Okay, let's go. Oh, this is the biggest. This is the biggest product for sure. This is huge. This is a pillowcase. Excuse you. Did you hear my neighbors? They're annoying. So this is a pillowcase. This is a freaking pillowcase. That's crazy. This is a full size, $9.94. The Heritage Call It a Night satin pillowcases. Okay, I have a love-hate relationship for satin pillowcases. Really like the color. It is this gray color. I'm not gonna open it. I'm not gonna open it because I'm not going to use it. I like what they do to my hair, and I like how they don't give me acne. They prevent acne. I don't like how satin feels on my face, and that is just a me issue, and I know I'm probably a little crazy that I don't like how this feels. I like how cotton feels on my face. I don't like how this feels. It just feels cold and unpleasant. I just don't like pillowcases. If this was a cotton pillowcase, I'll be like, hell yeah. But still, they have a freaking full pillowcase. Like, that's cool. It's not just beauty. It's like healthcare in a way, you know. $9. This costs as much as $9.94. This costs basically $10 as much as the box. So we already got our money's worth. We got our money's worth. Okay, the next thing, oh, there's another one. There's two. That's cool. They usually put one. There's two in here. Awesome. You know what? Since there's two and it's immune, this is an energy because they have an energy one. I'm gonna try it out for you. So I have a full water bottle. I'm gonna drink a little bit. $16 ounces, one stick. Shake it. Cheers. I like it. I like it. It does taste like a tangerine. It tastes like those hard candies, vitamin C hard ones, not the gummy ones. They taste like the hard vitamin C vitamins, the chewable ones. That's what this tastes like. So if you like the taste of that, you're gonna like this. And like I said, it's gonna give me lots of hydration. I'm gonna pee 3 times in the night, but that's okay. That's okay. Guys, we got a full mascara. Covergirl. I haven't tried Covergirl mascaras. I literally just got a new Milani one. I was gonna say Maybelline. A new Milani one. Now I got another one. Like, they're hooking me up with it has to be mascara season. I've seen so many companies with mascaras coming out right now. Did you know makeup has its seasons? Sorry, it's a little dirty from my lipstick. Did you know makeup has its seasons? Like, I want to say like winter is like mascara, late winter, early spring is foundation. I think in the summertime is like blush, lipsticks. Fall is more like eyeshadows, I think, brow products. So if you do notice that all these companies drop like a bunch of the same things, it's because they're competing with each other and they want the money. This is the CoverGirl Simply Ages Lash Plumping Mascara. Lash Plumping Mascara. I just opened a new mascara right now, so I don't think I'm gonna open this. If you have tried this, let me know what you think. It's supposed to be the wand right there. It's supposed to be a little curved. I'm gonna leave it in its packaging because I will open this eventually because it looks very intriguing. It says instantly plumps, volumizes lashes, thicker, longer, stronger lashes, 4 weeks. So that's interesting. And it has primer serum infused. So apparently it's supposed to make your lashes strong. This is $9.97. You guys, this plus this is 20 bucks. 20 bucks already. And I paid $10 for this box. That's crazy. That's crazy. Get on this. This is one of the better boxes like on the market right now. The subscription boxes is the Wal-mart beauty box. And then I got 2 more items and we're done. So this is the Moisturize Bump Shave Gel, which is cool because I like using shave gels. I don't really like shave creams as much. I do like shave gels, like shower gels in a way. This is with aloe vera and jojoba oil. So it looks like it's a really, really pretty purple color. It's a good size. This is gonna last me a couple months because I don't really shave that much. I mean, I shave my armpits once a week maybe, like on the weekend. So when I do go out, I don't really show. During the week, I kind of just let them breathe, let them do its thing, and that's how I prevent like discoloration underneath my armpits. I've noticed that when I shave more, my armpits become darker. Dove also helps. I really like using Dove deodorant, and when I shave less, they don't become as irritated. They're not as bumpy. I'm not irritated basically. And then like my legs, I don't really have leg hair, honestly. I'm blessed with that. I will shave like for special occasions or like during the summer when I wear like more like dresses and stuff. But other than that, yeah, no. Like this will last me months, like months. So pretty good. The last, oh wait, I wanted to smell this because it said, oh wait, I forgot to tell you, this is $12.79. This is the most expensive item. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. Just kidding. Scratch that off. This is 2 ounces. The full size that is $12.97 is 6 ounces. So this is a third of that. So let's divide $12.79 by 3. 12.79 divided by 3. This is $4.26. It's still decent. Like I'm still really surprised that these are like decent sized products. And the last thing is Cetaphil, which I freaking love Cetaphil. I think it's a great brand, great products. This is the Healing Ointment Skin Protectant, Dry, Chapped, and Irritated Skin. This is me. This is me. I have so many allergies. It's not even funny. Like so many allergies that it's to the point where I'm cutting out foods because I I'm sick and tired of being itchy, sneezy, runny eyes, runny nose. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of getting rashes. I'm tired of breaking out in hives. Like, I'm tired. So I have to literally take allergy pills every single day or I'm miserable. And because I have to take allergy pills every single day to, you know, go through life normally, my skin is so dry, like so dry. It like sucks the life out of it. Like the allergy pills suck everything out because it's supposed to like decongest you, whatever it does. This is great. Great. Anything that says dry, chapped, irritated skin, great. This says free of mineral oil, lanolin, preservatives, and fragrance. Oh, thank God. I'm not the biggest fan of fragrance in my skincare or makeup that much. I can handle fragrance very lightly, like very lightly. If it's like a perfume, obviously. Maybe some like Bath and Body Works lotions, but other than that, I'm not a big fan of like fragrance. I'm very sensitive with fragrance. Some fragrance irritates me, breaks me out. I'm glad that this has no fragrance at all. So this is a full size. So you can buy this full size at Walmart. It is $9.97. I bet you it's gonna be like a Vaseline. What did I tell you? Exactly like a Vaseline. This is good because I do use Vaseline a lot, like more than you know, trust me. I do it a lot. Yeah, is this petroleum jelly? Oh, it's like shea butter, beeswax, Cetaphil, hexanoid, shea butter. Okay, I'm okay with that. It doesn't look that bad. There's like 5 ingredients on there, so it's kind of nice. Super moist. Oh, I love this. Super moisturized. This is gonna be like great for my hands. Oh, I love it. Okay, yeah, that was box. Okay, let's go over everything I got. So, healing ointment treatments, Covergirl Mascara, 2 of these. One's already open, the other one's still full. Toner, shower gel, shaving gel, and a pillowcase. 5 items plus the 2 samples of the little drink thing. That's great. What did you guys think? What did you think of this box for 10 bucks? 10 bucks, like 10 bucks for a self-care box. I'm gonna be getting use out of everything except for the silk pillowcase. I think I'm gonna pass this along, but it's just my personal taste that I don't like silk pillowcase. I know I'm against like what everyone says. Use silk no. Make up your own mind about what you want to use, you know? Like, so I'm glad that's in there. I wish it was like silk hair ties. I would use those. I do like those. I just don't like how silk feels on my face. That's just my opinion, but I'm pretty sure someone is gonna love that as a gift. I'm gonna keep that. But yeah, what did you think? Did you get twins if you did get this box? Were we box twins? Let me know. What was your favorite item in this box? I really like the ointment. Like, it feels really good. Like, look at how smooth and shiny it made my hand look. Like, it looks really good. I like it. Yeah, thank you so much for coming. If you are still here, go ahead and comment a little fruit, a little tangerine orange thing for their tangerine hydration multiplier by Liquid IV. Go ahead and comment that in the comments so I know that you're still here, and I really appreciate it. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. My name is Sally. Again, if you haven't been here, welcome. I would love for you to subscribe to this channel. We have a lot of unboxings, clothing hauls, makeup tutorials, and thank you so much. Hit that like button. It really does help out my channel out so much, and click the little notification bell before you go so you guys can be notified of all my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.